So I've just realized I haven't been using bootstrap.min.css, but I have been using bootstrap.css. And I wonder how big the difference is. So I've discovered this when I was just browsing through the code. I was just looking at how big my CSS files were in here. Not that I could see bootstrap.css in here, but like I was just investigating like how am I importing my CSS files, etc., etc. Anyway, I've just stumbled upon this and I did a command B on this, and I've just realized that there is bootstrap.min.css in here, and but I have been using bootstrap.css. So it seems like it's a better idea to use bootstrap.min.css because it's just a minified version of it. It just looks ugly compared to bootstrap.css, but it takes less space because you've deleted the tabs and everything else. So let's see how much of a difference that makes. So if I hop into Google Chrome right now, and if I refresh the page, I get 244, right, as for the size. And if I just switch this to bootstrap.min.css, and if I go back to Google Chrome, it's going to refresh the website for me. And after all requests are done, I am at 240. Well, it's not that much of a difference, but it's like 40 kilobytes or something. Like it's not negligible. It's still a big amount, right? Yeah, so keep this in mind. If you use Bootstrap, remember to use bootstrap.min.css. I guess it happens to all of us, right? Like we miss those little things, and they get buried deep under the project, deep in the project, and it might be too late when we discover them. Like I've been trying to save space in my personal website for the last several streams, but I've missed this tiny detail somehow. All right, I've noticed it now. Anyway, I think it's 11:46, and I think it's a good time to stop programming for today. All right, bye.